Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Pepsi cake. So colourful. Start with some sponge cake. We're using all different colours and layering it with white buttercream. We've got purple, blue, then green, then yellow, and finally, orange. Then, using a turntable, coat the entire cake in white buttercream. Then smooth it out and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, cut some fondant pieces, white, blue, red, to make the Pepsi logo sign. Then we're going to cut out the letters to spell the word. Wrap a blue fondant sheet around your cake. Cut off the excess, pressing it down at the seam with your fingers. Then add grey fondant on top and use water as a glue to stick on finishing touches. Final fondant decorations. Let's stick on the logo and the letters. And there you have it. Pepsi cake. Super artistic and very yum. And the best thing is, when you cut into it, you get a wonderful array of colour. What a surprise! Amazing. Pepsi cake. Why not give it a go? Enjoy!